So guys, the first set of floor mats I want to tell you guys about are the TPE all-weather floor mats by a company called OEDRO. I featured these floor mats a while back in one of my accessories videos, but today I'm going to go a little bit more in-depth about these floor mats. So if you guys haven't seen that video, these floor mats are absolutely amazing. Unlike other floor mats, these floor mats are all-weather guard, meaning they're made of a tough material that can protect against all kind of debris. Also, the sides of these floor mats are risen, which means it holds any kind of water or debris like a bucket in your car and prevents it from transferring all over your car. So it stays within the floor mats because all sides of the floor mat are actually risen up on the side of the car. These floor mats are made specifically for the Tesla Model 3 or Model Y or Model S if you have the Model S. And what that means is these floor mats are actually laser cut to your Tesla. That means when you put them on the floor, there will be no gap in between the floor mats and the Tesla's interior, and it will fit like a glove. These floor mats also feature deep grooves in them so that if there is any liquid spilt, the liquid will stay in these grooves and not continue to wet your shoes. They're made of high-grade TPE material and can easily be washed by simply hosing down the floor mats with water and soap. And lastly guys, these floor mats have a 2-year warranty. I've been using these floor mats for almost a year so far and I have no regrets, and I'm so glad that I got them right from the beginning when first buying my Tesla. The next option I want to show you guys is actually the upgraded version of these OEDRO floor mats, which include all the same benefits as the previous model, except it does not have the deep grooves within the material. This version features a triple layer construction. The surface layer is made from waterproof, flexible, TPR material, and the middle layer is made from a high quality XPE foam for better foot comfort and reduced noise. And the final backing layer is made from material that is anti-skid to prevent the mats from sliding around on your Tesla's floor. With all three layers combined, these floor mats are actually lighter than the previous model as well. However, they still feature a laser scan design, raised edges, fully waterproof, and they still come with a 2-year warranty. And as a bonus, OEDRO also makes a trunk liner made out of these same materials as the two floor mats I've mentioned. So guys, if you're wondering which of these floor mats is right for you, I recommend the TPE version for more demanding applications. Say if you know for sure you're going to be bringing in a lot of debris such as mud and a lot of water on a daily basis, since the material on the TPE version is a lot tougher. And I'd recommend the upgraded XPE version as the best overall floor mats for your Tesla.